What is up, guys? So today I'm going to quickly show you how to implement a scroll on your website so that if you click a link that has an anchor tag, or that's pointing to an anchor tag I should say, the page will automatically scroll to that section on the site. And this is all without using any JavaScript or jQuery. So let's go ahead and jump on into this real quick. Alright, so I have a blank HTML file open here, and we're going to write some code in here. So before we go ahead and change the scroll behavior property, let's go ahead and add some elements in here. So I'm just going to add a div, and another div. Like, suppose I could just copy that. And I'm going to name this first one. I'm going to give it a class of block 1. Yeah, and then I'll give the second one here a class of block 2, just like that. And let's go and start styling this up real quick. All right, so I'm going to select the class of block 1 and block 2. All right, and let's go ahead and write some CSS in here. So I'm going to write the width to be, let's do 100 viewport widths. We'll do height, 100 viewport heights. Let's set the background to pink. And then let's come up here, and on the body, let's remove the padding and the margin, just like that. Come back over here, refresh this, and see what we got. All right, so we have a nice scrollable page of pink. Next, let's go ahead and let's just grab that second block, and we're just going to change the background to like green or something like that. Go back, refresh. Now you can scroll down and you can see here. And let's, now that I think about this, let's just change these two IDs because we're going to need to use those IDs. There we go. And let's go into the first block, and we're going to add an anchor tag. I'll just say go to the green block. Anchor tag, give it an href of block 2, just like that. So now let's come back over here and refresh this page, and now you'll see that we have a link here, and if we click it, it brings us right down to this green block. It jumps us right to it. Now let's also go and add, I want to add another button here into the second one. This is just going to point to block 1, and let's say go to the pink block. All right, so let's come back and refresh, and now you can see we can go back and forth right between them. All right, so to add this smooth scrolling in, it's very simple. I'm going to select everything just because I find that this is the easiest thing to do, just apply it to everything in the document. And we're going to write scroll behavior smooth. And that's really about it. So let's jump back over to the page and refresh this page. And you should see if you click this link now, it scrolls you right down to it. So there's a very simple way to implement smooth scrolling on your website without touching any JavaScript or jQuery or anything like that. Now there are a few issues with this, as it's not supported in every browser. So the only browsers that I've found that it's not supported in is Internet Explorer, Edge, and Safari. So at the moment they don't support them. Hopefully they'll support them soon, but I don't care. I would rather just do this, and anyone that's using a good browser like Chrome, or Opera even, I think Opera supports this, they will have this nice scrolling effect. Alright guys, so that's really all you need to do to implement this scrolling feature, so that when you click a link, the page just automatically scrolls to that section of content. But there are some browsers that do not support this yet, so keep in mind that it's not going to work everywhere, but it will work in a lot of places. Plus, it's just super simple. So anyways, I hope this helped you guys. If it did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you like the content that I'm creating on this channel, head on over to my Patreon account at patreon.com/Zachary R. Newton, where you can help support this channel and help me create better videos every week. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.